Where are we gonna go?
We're gonna buy Kuno Crunch.
Yes!
Saan ba?
Anong doon? Anong doon? Doon. Anong doon? Doon. Mainit! Di yan mainit. Pause mo muna. Hi guys! So we bought it. Show it to them. Okay, ta! Damn! Pakita mo, te! So this was like, I don't know, 95 pesos. Okay, so we just got home. Don't mind the background music. So we ran like, I don't know, like 3 or 5 minutes. And she was about to faint. So we're gonna try this.
Go first because ako
Wait lang,
order.
please. It's called Mini Kuno Crunch, and this was like 95 pesos. The spoon, oh my god. Take it.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
So there was like, this was the last 2 left. There was like only 1 left there. It was like, oh my god. God.
Ako first bite!
Guys, ipakita ka nanda. Look at it. It's so, the chocolate. Oh my god.
Ako first bite.
Let me get up. God, guys, look at that.
Spoon.
She's gonna have the first bite because I don't have a choice because she went with me even though I bought this.
Yeah. I don't have it. Ah, wag mong anuhin.
It smells so good.
Look.
ASMR.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dapat big bite. Shika lang!
Show your face!
Big bite.
Is it good? What?
Wait lang.
How much do you rate it out of 10? I think it melted because it was so init.
Hot kasi bobo.
Kagaya ko.
Wait lang ito.
Binatatakam na ako! Thank you, like... Ako bumalik yan eh!
Baka lang ito. Ako lang.
Ate, paano dyan sa, ma-picture ako? Sa, gano'n?
No!
Wait lang. Last bite. Last bite.
Buga! Mali ah!
Oh my God.
Anong sabor na?
Nutella.
Okay, my turn.
Hindi na pag-idot yung mamaya yung mga ano.
Look at that. Wow.
Oh!
Wow. It's so good. Like, look at this. The sauce. I'm gonna get another bite.
Ito na. Go. Dun ka.
Oh yeah.
Last bite. 3 ako. Diba? 3 mo. Be. Nako na pag-idot mo ginoo like matama.
Ayan ko na kay Jasmine, patakam ko siya. No, hindi naman.
Uy, shit. Ano yung...
Pili na kayo, guys! Boy.
I want Chanel 9 boots. Saw this nigga steady jocking cause they know I'm the truth. Material world. And I get it from my mammy bar, man. Bust down, these hoes can't stand me.